What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to connect your Binance account with Hamster Kombat. For that, the process is pretty easy and very simple. So all you have to do is to follow this video till the end and I will show you exactly how to do it. So let's dive into the video. Before getting into the video, let me smash this hamster first. Anyways, so all you have to do is to press the airdrop button on the bottom right corner, and once you're in it, all you have to do is to go to the withdraw option. Here you will see a badge of saying Binance Exchange. All you have to do is to click on this Binance Exchange. So once you're in it, all you have to do is to click on yes, I have it. If you don't have Binance account yet, you can register it by using this link. So after that, all you have to do is to write the receiving address from the Binance and the memo of it. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.